Without providing appropriate resources and financing to strategies, it is extremely difficult to achieve genuine equality or fully realize the promise of human rights for all. Gender-responsive budgeting must go beyond compliance. It must be about transformation. This requires that gender focal points and working groups in relevant ministries are fully operational, both at the national and local levels. This also means sustained and committed efforts. Gender equality is not a side agenda. Rather, it is a cross-cutting objective that must be central in our national policies, budgets, and institutions if we are to achieve Goal 5 of the Sustainable Development Goals and the vision of the Magna Carta of Women. Let us continue to maximize the GAD budget as a tool for dismantling discrimination, challenging harmful gender norms, and creating opportunities where all persons are truly able to live a life of equal dignity and rights.